Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing the top 5 ways on how to use, incorporate, mix strobe cream. Okay, so I purchased this little strobe cream by MAC, the original one. I think this is the pink light. It has, I purchased this when MAC didn't even have like 5 shades. Now there is gold light and pink light and silver light and a lot of strobe creams with different, undertones. These are 5 ways how I like to do strobe cream. Okay, first, I love when I do foundation, BB cream, whatever, I like to mix strobe cream. Just a drop of strobe cream with foundation, just a little drop. Like imagine you're doing 3 drops or 4 pumps of foundation. Add a drop or a pump of strobe cream and it will make your foundation look dewy, beautiful finish, soft finish, like the glow comes from within. When you're going for a glow, you're going for a glow. But I think that the most beautiful glow is a glow that comes from within. So I would use, imagine doing 4 drops of foundation, do a drop of strobe cream, mix it together, apply on the face, and thank me later. The second way I like to do strobe cream is to apply it as a highlighter. Like today I applied little to almost nothing strobe cream. A little bit on the cupid's bow, higher parts of my cheek, of my nose, very natural. I have the original one, which has like, I think it's the pink light one. It looks super natural on the face. No one would ever know that it's more natural than a highlighter, it's a cream. I love it, it's natural. There are a lot of people that use these tricks to go to the gym when they work out or when they go outside and they want to go for the no makeup look, and you want to use a little strobe cream to look cute, because the strobe cream, if you use it on the right parts on the face, it can lift your face a little bit. If you use it on the higher cheek parts and the cupid's bow and maybe a little bit on the forehead, the bridge of the nose, stuff like that, so it can really make you pretty, but natural, very, very natural. The third way I like to use strobe cream sometimes is I mix it with my moisturizer. That I also like to do. Imagine the Origins tinted moisturizer. It's a moisturizer with SPF 30, but it has a little tint. I just mix a little strobe cream and it has like a nice glow. Or just a regular moisturizer. Just a moisturizer that has no tint at all. Just a moisturizer, a regular moisturizer. So it gives a little glow. And the fourth way you can use the strobe cream is all over your face. You can also use it all over your face. I've seen people use it all over their face before applying a foundation, for example. I've seen people do that. And I've seen people use strobe cream all over their face and walking outside just to have like an overall glow. And a little goes a long way, so you don't need a lot to cover your entire face, to be quite honest. I had this product for like almost 2 years. So I'm so happy, I'm great. I want to try the gold light. And the last way I would recommend to use strobe cream, and this is what I've seen on YouTube, right? A lot of people use it under their blush. I've seen people using under their blush. I've seen people like buying the gold light strobe cream and put it on their higher parts of their cheeks as a highlighter. I've seen people buy the pink light and use it as blush and then use a powder blush on top. I've seen a lot of ways to use strobe cream. My favorite way, and that's what I'm going to share with y'all guys, my favorite way to use strobe cream is a little bit on the cupid's bow, high parts of the cheek, a little bit on the bridge of the nose, and the top and the point of the nose, and that's done. For a very natural look. It's a strobe cream. Plus, a big secret about the strobe cream actually is that it has a lot of great ingredients, and it's not promoted enough. Because strobe cream is promoted for its beauty and for what it does, and it gives a beautiful, healthy, natural. I have to say natural because it looks so natural. No one would know that you would have something on your face. It's so natural, it's worth every penny. You can buy the little travel size that MAC sells. MAC's not the only one that sells strobe creams, but they have great strobe creams. Let's give it up to MAC for that. They have great strobe creams. So yeah, that's my honest review on it. And this is the way that I like to do it. I like to do it 2 ways, to be quite honest. On a bare face, little on the cupid's bow, high parts of the cheek, or I like to mix it with my foundation, and that's what I like to do, and it really does make a difference. It gives like a natural dewy finish. If you're super oily and you want to go for a matte finish, then maybe don't use strobe cream. But if you like a dewy, beautiful finish, use strobe cream. Plus it has great ingredients in it. Not everyone, not all products, but the MAC one seems to have great ingredients in it. And that's my honest review. These were the 5 ways on how you can use strobe cream, and I just shared 2 of mine, of course. And that's it. That's 5 different ways to use strobe cream. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Please click on the notification bell down below so you can stay updated with my new videos, or else you won't be able to see them, unfortunately. Only if you click on my channel. And like, share, subscribe. See ya. Bye.